I think I respect quite a lot of CROs, but I think Tom Wilson has sort of set some of the... I like Tom because he's at the forefront of a lot of debates, but also I think there's a whole new breed of chief risk officers that are coming through, and those are the ones that we've got to look at that have got a broader set of management skills that blend both the actuarial, accounting and ability to run a business.
The people that can stay humble.
For me, it means, it's an element of the overall corporate culture, and I think you need balance in the culture to make it work effectively for the organization. So you need, for example, an entrepreneurial, innovative culture as well as risk elements in your culture. And it means to me, probably in a nutshell, the people to feel the freedom to speak up and challenge the status quo, even when things are going so well. It seems that it's a real winning strategy, but even the ability and comfort to question when things are going really well.
Again, risk culture means that we all get a feeling about what is mattering, what we can manage, and a feeling where we have to do an assessment, and when we did an assessment we have to stick to a decision until it is replaced by another decision. So avoiding a risk assessment which is changing every day.
Basically, risk culture is organisational culture. The strong risk cultures are the ones where organisations have it fully embedded around deciding what's onside and what's onside, and therefore will escalate decisions or judgments to be made. And there are many organisations that have strong risk cultures.
Risk culture is getting the acceptance of the risk framework and enterprise risk management within the organization.
I think the biggest challenge for risk management, I think a lot of progress and momentum. We've had a lot of momentum. We've made a lot of progress over the last 4 or 5 years or so, and I think the greatest challenge will be keeping it. So through economic cycles, there are different demands, different pressures that continue to come upon companies, and it's important to try to keep momentum going.
I use Twitter quite a lot. I got into it about 2 years ago at a conference, and one of the things I find most valuable about it is I get an awful lot of information very quickly, because each tweet's only 140 characters, although sometimes they have web links with more information. If you choose the people you're following quite carefully, you can just scroll down a couple of times a day and just find out all kinds of things about industry gossip, about what's happening in risk management, what's happening in governance. You can meet new people, start corresponding with them. So it's just a completely quick way and very easy way of engaging with the world.